You work crazy hours that seem never-ending. You're paying off an incredible education debt. You put all your time and energy into learning your specialty. You're a doctor, you're in training. You're waiting for the day to get to live the lifestyle you've earned from all those years of sacrifice and hard work. But today, you're not making enough money. Your debt is increasing and you're overworked. You've heard the jokes throughout your training of the doctor stereotype, of being bad at managing money, and you don't want to perpetuate that. So what can you do to avoid becoming the stereotype? How can you move the pendulum in the right direction? By investing in disability insurance. You might have never heard about it, or you might think you don't need it. You might think you can wait, that eventually you'll be offered a group plan later on in your career. But while you're waiting, life is happening, and waiting can severely affect the contract you receive. Small changes in your medical history, like a needle stick, certain medications, or a doctor visit can cause exclusions or a reduced policy. What you may not know is there's a great opportunity right now during your training to purchase disability insurance. There are discounts for all residents and fellows, including cardiology fellows, gastroenterology fellows, anesthesiology residents, and even dental residents. Many plans have much higher rates for females, some as much as 30% higher. If you purchase while in training, there are unisex rates, no higher cost just because of your gender. The earlier you purchase, the lower the premiums, the greater chance of having an inclusive contract, and the better you can protect your future earnings. And you won't need to take a medical exam ever again. At RFS, we have found that the real reason young doctors in training have avoided getting disability insurance is because they've never taken the time to sit down with a practice like ours that truly breaks down the process. Rosenzweig Financial Services has been servicing physicians since the 1970s, and currently we service over 3,500 physicians nationwide. After working with us and receiving a disability plan, our clients experience a feeling of security. It's as if a weight has been lifted. Purchasing insurance, especially a complex plan like disability, can be overwhelming, and you probably have lots of questions. Why should I do this now? Aren't I covered by the hospital and training? How will I be able to afford this? Why should I do this with you? We don't just send cookie-cutter quotes from various carriers. Our strategy is unique because it centers around you, and you are unique. We start by getting to know you, your personal and professional situation. Why did you go into medicine? Will you look to work at a hospital or private practice? What is your current support system like? We get to know you intimately, so we can get a better understanding of your situation, what matters most to you, and that helps us determine what type of coverage you will need. We then break down how a disability policy works. The focus during these initial meetings is on education, not on selling you a product. We at RFS will break down all the carriers in the marketplace for your specialty. We'll look at what determines a total disability, what optional benefits should you consider, and what discounts are available to you based upon your specialty and the hospital you're working at. Then we'll look at your budget to determine if it makes sense for you to purchase a plan now. If it is, then we'll determine which carrier and provisions is most appropriate for you. Our goal is to work with you long term, to be not only your advisor, but to be your friend. We know you're busy and that your time is valuable. That's why we've developed an introductory 30-minute one-on-one session to begin helping you conceptualize what you'll need to be protected. Contact Hunter Gimbel at RFS to schedule this 30-minute face-to-face session today by calling 212-818-0505. And please visit our website, www.rfsny-doctordisability.com for more information. We really look forward to hearing from you.